What's up, LEGO fans? GDP Built here. This is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily, trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. See if we do it, LEGO fans. Welcome to round 2 with Camping with Bricks. Here's the video, obviously. Just over there is the Canadian Rockies and the town of Hinton. Today I'm building the LEGO City Racing Boat Transporter, set number 60254. Came out in the year 2020. It's supposed to have 2 minifigures, but I apparently lost them. I can't find them when I was setting this up. Sorry, I'm just making sure. This is take 2. The mic wasn't working. Could not find the minifigures. I checked my minifigure drawer. I checked my storage drawer, my storage container where I had this truck sitting. Cannot find the 2 minifigures for this. I'll have to continue looking around, but I could not find them. That's what they look like right there. And I will find them. I did remember to take some screenshots and stuff. So, year 2020, 2 minifigures, 238 pieces. Head for the Lego City Harbor aboard the powerful racing boat transporter. Steer the pool truck into position at the water's edge and unload the awesome jet-powered boat. Then join the Extreme Team racing driver on board the power on board. Power over the waves and set a new Lego City water speed record. Vroom. And when you are done, you can transport the racing boat back to base. Another high-speed Lego adventures. Now, start this. Oops, nope, nope. That project. Correct. Like that. My bad. Just trying to get the short all set up. And there will be obviously the boat does float. A lot of Lego boats do float. And there will be will it float short? So there will always be a way. Okay. Gosh darn wind. Well, the first step is for the minifigures, but I don't have minifigures, so we're gonna have to skip out on the minifigures. Well, then we just move on to the next step. The air is already refreshing. I already stopped and took a nap a bit. I'm not continue on. My campsite is not exactly ready yet. I don't I don't check into my campsite till tomorrow. My first campsite, by the way. Till tomorrow. I just wanted to head out this way, so I'm already here. I'm gonna be sleeping in one of these highway side rest areas for tonight. And then I'm gonna be Then tomorrow morning, clean up, pack up, have breakfast, and not really head to my site 'cause I don't get it till 2:30 till 2 o'clock. But what I'll do is I'll head into the park to Jasper Park, uh, find a nice spot to park next to this lake, record a couple videos there, go out and kayaking on the water, and then go check into my campsite, and then get the whole trailer set up there for the next till Thursday. License plates with a sticker on it. Oh, that sun is nice and warm. That's for sure. These 1x2s. I hope these colors are all coming out good. I can barely even see the screen because of how bright it is. So I hope everything's coming out crystal clear on the cameras. 'Cause I set it up as best I could. I didn't touch the POV camera because I also been using that in the truck as I've been driving for recording for my camping trip, and that's a video all on its own, obviously, because it's already been most likely out by the time this video comes out because that's how I set things up. I try to set things up in advance and set certain videos up first. Definitely a lot of bugs flying around. And if camping with bricks goes good this year, we'll do it again next year. That sun is warm. Woof. And yes, I will be doing some recordings in my campsite and a few other places too. I'm gonna try and like move it around. I just so saw like different locations, just like I did last time. Only a couple videos were in the same place. So we'll hope all this is good. And I remember to bring the helmet, and I remember to do some screenshots of the descriptions this time. So yeah. I don't know why they had to come all the way to the end of this rest area to do a U-turn. They could have done a U-turn right where they were parked. Oh, too funny. Too funny. Yeah, they probably just wanted to see what I was doing. Weird people out there. Of course, I really wanted to make up a sign for my back window of my RV saying to like check out my YouTube channel, JDP Builds. But I forgot to print something off and tape it up. And well, my windows are for my RV are like privacy windows, so they wouldn't have been able to see inside anyway. See? Orange. Excuse me. I did eat lunch, so had some lunch. Good. Front bumper's on. Don't worry. I also did remember to bring my bear spray too. This is more bear country than the other place was. You know, that place does have bears too, but this is more bear country. So, and I got it right here, just in case. It's coming along nicely, and I just took it apart the other day too. From this video, like from this day, not from took it apart before I left for camping. Fire extinguisher. Always good to have that. I got a fire extinguisher in my RV. Even my work truck's got a fire extinguisher. It's the law. Steering wheel and seat. Couple of these bricks and the doors. There. The doors go there. There. Tan snot brick. There. Plate. That weird snot plate. Tile and cheese loads. We've got a sticker on it. My wheels to roll away. Now we're making a little water bottle. You got to stay hydrated while you're trucking on those roads. I always have water bottles. And here, there's two little black tiles. There. Infield and near parks. Boy, that sun is really. Whew, I'm feeling it. I am really feeling the sun. Not because it's hot. It's actually pretty nice with this nice breeze, but it's the sun's heat. Just I'm gonna have a sunburn. I should have put sunscreen on. I forgot to do. I should have put it on. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I still can. It's over in the truck, but I'm recording. So it'll have to wait. Final step, the tires. And then the truck is done. Then it'll be doing the trailer and the boat. I love how a lot of Lego's trucks are based off of European trucks. Always make sure when you're out in the wilderness, leave the area nice and clean by putting everything in baggies and in my backpack. Excuse me. Okay, yes. Next step is the boat. Over here, so it's not really in the way. Or not boat, trailer. It's being at least it's a nice little quick, easy trailer though. Like, nothing too complicated. These are some big, long gray bricks. I hope I have to check that. Once I'm done, check some descriptions. I don't know if I typed up some descriptions on the older ones. Move it up a bit since I didn't realize some of the stuff wasn't getting into my phone. Okay, one translucent red. Where's the other translucent red? There's supposed to be two. There it is. It's over by the truck. Got a license plate, creator's name, and the set number. Breathe is nice, but so not so when I'm trying to look for a book. So, piece. That's the gooseneck. I think the trailer's going by pretty fast, and the belt. Then we're done. I'm gonna pack everything back up, head into town. I wanna stop and get a bike lock since I forgot to buy one. I have a bike lock on my bike. Actually, I want to buy two. Eh, I want to buy a new bike lock for sticking it, like making sure my generator don't go nowhere overnight. So leave it outside. Bike I could bring inside. Bathroom, I guess. Tire time. Then the boat is done. I don't know what the hell that was. Probably just a big ass flag. I don't like boats. I like Bugs Bunny, but not insects. Sounds. 50. It could be my paperweight. They're already applying the sticker, so steps one and two for the boat are done. Tile. And arch. Look, look. I want to repair. Lime green jumper. Goes inside the very well seat. There. We like blue with gray arches. There we go. Right there. Couple red bricks. My favorite color, red. More gray gray arches. Open with enough truck jack that keeps the animals away. Open. And there, black tiles, green cheese slopes. Slopes go here. Black tiles come here. Plate. Not this way. Wedge plate. Double wedge plate, my bad. It's green, it's orange. So it might rain later. You've got two slope sticker on it. Tiny vent. Lime green tiles. Double wedge plate. More green tiles. Orange fabulous. Look at these plates with holes. Coming together pretty good. Wedge plates. Too many shiny nubs. Studs. Red slopes. There and there. Really nice out here. Really is. Raccoons. Pardon me. Mercury blue. This green thing. Green tombstone tile. Two of these reds. The tier goes there. Okay, those looks good. Junker and a tombstone. Assuming what's supposed to be an antenna. Okay, so two of those, two of those, two propellers, and these two. Butterfingers. You can attach here. Yeah. Engines are done. I'll just cockpit and unfortunately, as I said before, there's no minifigures because well, they disappeared somehow. That's done. Got that. Give me a second here. So, hope you all enjoyed this just as much as I enjoyed building it out in the wilderness for you so you didn't have to. But yes, there will be a short. Will it float? We all know that Lego boats float. Well, the ones that have solid bodies anyway. The ones brick built boats don't float. So, hope you enjoy this second round of Camping with Bricks. I'll see you all in the next video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily, trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's see if we can do it, Lego fans. It'd be really great if possible. And yeah, take care. Stay safe out there. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for your family. This is JDP Builds. This is the way.